Hello and good afternoon, or good morning, or good evening, or whenever you're watching this. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have a tokens video for you, and this is tokens number 11. As I said, about 3 years ago I bought a big bag of tokens in the hope of finding some really nice ones, and basically I made them up into 10, I think it was 15 bags of tokens that I could do token hunts with, and this is one of the bags. This first one is a keyed token. There's no identification marks on it. These sort of things have been used in things like security systems, where like car parks and that sort of thing, but there's no marking on it to tell you exactly what this token was made for. Again, this is I've seen this several times in the past. This is the winged Pegasus. This is quite a well-known token. I've seen a few of them about. They have an identification number going through the centre, but whether they seem to be made in batches, and it's like a batch number. I don't think each individual token is uniquely numbered. Here's a Eurocoins token. Not 100% sure what this token is for. There's no obvious company names on there apart from Eurocoins, who were the manufacturer of the token. It is a token that is needed. And if you can see from this side-on thing, it's stepped in the centre, stepped up in the centre. Therefore, it's made specifically to work with a certain machine or of whatever description. Here we go. Here we've got another Eurocoins London token. It's a brass token. This one here has a sunburst or starburst design. Whether that is being made for a specific company that required this design, or whether it's made as a general token and is distributed to multiple companies, I don't know. It's unsure. There's nothing on it that says it's a gaming token, or whether it's used in what you used to call one-armed bandits or not, I don't know. There's no monetary value on there, so I would say it's more likely to be something like a security type token rather than a gaming token. This one, again, there's no obvious markings to say what it is, but it has a value of 1, I think it is, in that central wreath. There's nothing to actually say whether it belongs to a gaming company, what that one token is for. Is it a vending machine coin? I don't know. There's just nothing there, and there's nothing to identify it, and when you take a picture of it, we can't find anything about it. This is a single-sided one, and it has a single key. Now, what this was for, I wouldn't like to say. It's possibly a security token of some description, I don't know. It's very badly worn and battered, but you do get those with coins, tokens. Now this one originally was on charm bracelet for some reason. I'm not sure why. I can't see any extraordinary detailed things within it, but it's not made of a precious metal either, so it can't be the intrinsic value of the metal. There's the reason why this has been turned into something for a charm bracelet, I would imagine. Well, then we have a one play token, which would mean this is probably from something like a fruit machine or one of the amusement arcade machines. It's made by Brenco Award and it has a value of 5p. So when you cash it in, it's got a value of 5p, and it gives you one play of whatever machine it's from. Oops, sorry. Another euro coin made by Euro Coins, and it is again a security single groove security token. Again, as I've said before, the things that I know that I've seen them used for is things like car parks, car washes, things like that. Automatic, the automatic car wash machines. Here we are with another R&W token. This is possibly a amusement arcade of some description, or a company, the R&W company either has amusement arcades or makes tokens for amusement arcades. There's no value of it on it, so it's just a token of some description. This company is called Bit Leisure Spares. Is what's on this coin, and if we turn it over, it has a intrinsic value of 10p. Now I don't know whether, again, this is possibly comes from something like a fruit machine or a one-armed bandit as a payout for a win. They would pay out these 10p tokens, so you could only use the token normally, because you could then only use the tokens within the company itself, so they keep your money in effect. JPM, I don't know whether that is the manufacturer or whether it's the company that the token's been made for. It has a face value of 10p, an intrinsic value of 10p, as again probably given out as a payment for a slot machine or a bingo or something like that. That ends this token hunt. The coins are all there, and I will be putting them into flips / it's more likely to be that I'll put them straight into one of the plastic pages that takes 20 coins or tokens at a time. I may flip them, I haven't decided yet. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, could you please give me the thumbs up, and also if you haven't yet subscribed, could you think about doing so? I am looking to get to 250 by Christmas to 2023. I currently have 170 at the end of May, 170 plus by the end of May 2023, so yes, it might be a stiff ask, but it's doable. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, and just recently I've been releasing 5, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you would like to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-ra now.